Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the platform. SimplePractice, found at SimplePractice.com, provides a comprehensive platform tailored specifically for health and wellness professionals. It streamlines various aspects of practice management, from scheduling and client communication to billing and insurance. This integrated approach aims to free up practitioners' time, allowing them to focus more on their clients and less on administrative tasks. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface designed for ease of navigation and efficiency, even for those less tech-savvy. Features like online booking and automated appointment reminders minimize no-shows and enhance client engagement. Secure messaging within the platform ensures HIPAA compliance while facilitating clear and convenient communication between practitioners and their clients. SimplePractice also simplifies billing processes, offering features for creating and sending invoices, processing payments, and managing insurance claims. Moreover, it provides detailed reporting and analytics to track key performance indicators and gain insights into practice growth. For those looking for a streamlined, all-in-one solution, SimplePractice offers a robust platform to manage the complexities of a modern health and wellness practice, ultimately enhancing both the client and practitioner experience. They also offer a free trial to explore the platform's features before committing to a subscription. Their pricing plans are tiered to accommodate different practice sizes and needs, making it a potentially suitable option for solo practitioners and larger group practices alike. By consolidating various essential functions into a single platform, SimplePractice strives to empower practitioners to run their businesses more efficiently and effectively, ultimately leading to a more rewarding professional experience. It's worth checking out if you're a health or wellness professional seeking to simplify your practice management. Remember, the link is in the description.